Turning rubbish into usable fuel may sound like modern-day alchemy, but British researchers think they may be able to do just that. A new process being developed at the University of Newcastle can turn anything from nutshells to sewage into clean, green gas.
At the end of January, this sewage treatment centre in Northamptonshire will be the first to benefit from the new system. One of its main byproducts is leftover organic matter, or sludge. This plant alone produces 5,000 tonnes of dried sludge a year. Some of it can be used as fertiliser, but it's too strong to use in large amounts.
The sludge taken out to agriculture does contain high levels of nutrients, so we're finding we have to go further and further to ensure that we have a sustainable route for agricultural recycling.
The new system has the potential to handle any amount of sludge and put it to good use. It works with almost any fuel, in this case hazelnut shells, which are heated to over 1,000 degrees but not burnt by tightly controlling the amount of oxygen in a special reactor. At high temperature, the fuel breaks down into combustible gases and a small quantity of ash.
We use this gas to the engine, to burn in the engine and to produce electricity, basically. Instead of natural gas or town gas, we'll just use this gas to combustion engine, internal combustion engine.
The researchers believe the unique design of their reactor means it's very versatile. They're looking at using all kinds of other waste.
These are blocks of compacted leather. They're byproducts from the shoe and jacket industries. And these are pelletised household waste. And at the moment, these would just be sent to a landfill.
And they've been able to successfully use the system on pellets of sewage sludge. This pilot plant at the treatment works has a scaled-up version of the reactor. An engine and generator run on the gas produced and generate enough electricity to keep the plant running. The emissions are mostly carbon dioxide and nitrogen, which the developers feel make this system much more environmentally friendly than other methods of waste disposal.
To compare it to incineration, we use about a quarter of the airflow of an incinerator, so obviously the clean-up equipment is a quarter of the size. In addition, as I say, it's a low profile. The public wouldn't object to seeing a container, which they're quite familiar with. You haven't got massive exhaust stacks.
This plant is due to be up and running in a couple of weeks, and if it's successful, Anglia Water want to roll it out across their region. John Stewart, BBC News.
This is BBC News 24. Still to come.